Now we come to the last section for today's webinar, which is grievance redressal portal. Now, GSTN maintains a very intuitive and very user-friendly grievance redressal portal, which has been enhanced very recently. Now, this can also be used for self-service of tickets. So essentially, without even making a call to the help desk, you can use this portal to lodge a complaint and raise a ticket. You can also obtain the required information to reach a faster resolution. That means whatever issue you may be facing, the GRP will take you to the link on which the frequently asked questions and the user manual for that particular issue is available. You can refer to that, and in case it answers your query, you don't even need to file a ticket, raise a ticket there. Now, in case you already raised a ticket, you want to check the progress of the resolution of the complaint, you can do so by going to this portal. Now, how do you file a complaint or raise an issue in the grievance redressal portal? You enter the keyword in the type of issue or concern. The system will search and show the related FAQs and user manuals. Now, if they do not answer your query, click on No, I want to lodge my complaint, and then you can lodge a complaint. One more thing which I wanted to tell you is, very recently we updated the help desk, and we now have a new toll-free number, which is 1800-103-4786. It is functional 7 days of the week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We've also added 10 more languages to the existing 2 languages which we had earlier. And now the taxpayer's query can be answered in Hindi, English, Bangla, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Kannada, Odia, Malayalam, Punjabi, and Assamese. So all these steps are for the benefit of the taxpayers. Now, once you go to the home page of the GST portal, I'll just show you from where you can access the help otherwise. So there is a red highlighted button here, which shows the help section. We also have a dedicated YouTube channel on which more than 175 YouTube videos are available. And all the topics on which I have very briefly covered the current issues or very commonly asked issues just now, we have very comprehensive webinars on them, which are available on the YouTube, which can be seen. And here you see the lodge, how to access the GRP portal. There is a link for the GRP here at the bottom of the page, from where you can navigate to the grievance redressal portal. And this is, once you click on that, this is how the grievance redressal portal looks like. Here you can choose the button of report issue, check the status, and also give your feedback. So friends, with this, we have come to the end of today's webinar. I thank you a lot. I wish it was useful to you.